Okay, let's continue with part two. Here we have the equation written out. Where did we get this from? Kind of skip some steps. It says Mary's age will be 1 year less than twice her son's age. Well, Mary's age, we're talking about in 12 years, so we're going to use these expressions. So Mary's age, this is Mary's age, will be equals twice her 1 year less than twice her son's age. This is 1 year less than twice her son's age here. Now we just take this and solve it for x. This is a normal linear equation. Here it's clear. Her son's age is 11, and Mary's age is 3 times 11. So Mary is 33 years old. That's it. Next, let's understand solving systems of equations in 3 variable. If we have 3 variables, we're going to be dealing with x, y, and z. Basically, to just understand this, let's see if we can draw it. You have your, we're going to call this this is our y, this is our z, and watch closely. If you can imagine this, I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out of the board. So I'm going to try to come out in this direction. It's kind of like coming out. It's kind of hard to visualize it. But this is our x-axis. And if you can visualize this, that's my xy plane. If I were to plot a point, 2 comma 3 in the xy, it would be over 2 over 3. It will be about here. 5 comma 7. 1 comma 10 in the xy plane. Well, in the zy plane, it would be over here. In the xz plane, it would be over here. This is all 3-dimensional. These are your positive values in these particular planes. If you can visualize this, you have in the xy plane, you normally have what's called 4 quadrants. In the XYZ plane, you have what's called 8 octants. This is divided up into 8 equal sections, if you can kind of visualize this. Let's plot the point -2, 3, and 4. Well, okay, sorry about that, 4. To plot this point, remember this is going to be your x, this is your y, and this is your z, correct? Well, x, remember this is your positive direction, so watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue this out this way. That's your x. So I'm going to go -2, put some marks, go out 2. I'm going to go +3, this direction for the y. Maybe if you can visualize this, -2, +3. Now for z, I'm going to go up. -2, +3, up 4. That order pair would be about right here. And that's graphing in 3-dimensional. Okay, here we have a systems of equations that we're going to solve with 3 variables. The best way to do this, the way I like to solve this is using substitution. There's several ways. You can use elimination. Actually, I'm going to use, I want to use elimination to solve this. Kind of a combination. But what I'll do is combine these two to form one equation, but I want to cancel one of the variables. Do the same thing with these two. It doesn't matter. You can choose either two. Take these two, and I'm going to cancel the same variable. Then I'll have 2 equations, 2 variables, and then you're going to solve it from there. Okay? Step 1, I would take this first equation, maybe multiply it by -1, so that I can cancel my x variables, and we'll stick with that. Okay, what I want to do here is now, what I did, I just took this one, I multiplied through by -1. Take the opposite of each one. That's a negative. And now here I'm going to combine these, and now I'm going to go to another video.